How to change notification sound on Messenger. If any day you would like to change your notification sound on Messenger but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to search the Messenger application on your mobile device. After you search Messenger application on your mobile device, you have to tap on it, and after you tap on that, the Messenger application will be launched on your mobile device. Now you have to go to the three lines on the top and then go to the settings option. After you go to the settings option, you can see an interface like this. Now what you have to do is you have to just scroll down. After scrolling down, you have to go to the option of notifications and sound. After you tap on notifications and sound, you can see an interface like this. You have to enable all of the options as shown here, and after that you can go to the option of the ringtone and tap on it. After you tap on ringtone, you can see lots of options out there. Now you can tap on any of those options, any of the option that you'd like to set as your ringtone on the notification on Messenger, and after you tap on it, that very music will be set up as your very notification music on the Messenger application. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.